2, 1.
So for this week's post, I thought that I would make a little video, a quick video about one site that I saw, and I'm going to use it. It's pretty easy to use, and it's called EDpuzzle. And I tweeted a link out. What EDpuzzle lets you do is to take pieces of a video that is already made, and we can add things or take things away from it. So I'm going to do an example with soil and soil dynamics. So I'm going to choose this Bozeman video because why reinvent the wheel? And I've pre-watched it already, so I know the areas that I want to use on this. So I'm just going to come up here and click use it. And we are given these little tools at the top. So here's the scissors. I know that I want from 337. Oops, should drag. 337. So I want to learn about soil horizons, for instance. That's good enough. And I only want to go until about 434. There, that's good enough. So there I have cropped my video. The site allows you to add audio tracks into it. And the way you can do this is just by clicking and dragging. And there will be a little screen or a little tab that drops down at the bottom, and that will show you where you can put your audio tracks in. You can also do audio notes. So here's this little button. And if I wanted to put an audio note in, my computer is not allowing me to do that right now because I am currently recording. I would just be able to click and drag along when I'm watching the video. Where I want to put something, I would just stop and I would be able to speak over top of that video. The other thing it allows is for a quiz. So I do want to put a quiz.
So, and if we look at how it's formed, bedrock is broken down, weathered over time, and we eventually get what are called the horizons of the soil. We could classify some of the major soil horizons. At the top, we're going to have what's called the O horizon. That's going to be the organic horizon.
So let's just say I want to type a question here. What is the O horizon composed of? And then I can save the changes. Then hit continue.
And that's going to be where we're going to have a mix of a lot of dead or dying material. Below that, we're going to have the A horizon. That's going to be our topsoil. That's going to be a nice mix of minerals and also all the organics from the horizon above.
So let's say I wanted to do a multiple choice or a quiz. The A horizon is composed of organics only, or a mix of organics, a mix, and choose which one is the right answer, and save that. And then you can continue editing. Now, once you're done editing, you just hit the save, and it seems to save like every second or two, and then come up and click finish and add a class. I made a class, so I'm going to put it into environmental science. You have superpowers, so you can prevent the kids from skipping over certain parts of it, and you can assign a due date. So if I wanted to say make this due for Saturday, that would be done, and then I would hit send. And then it's going to go into an assignment section that says due soon. You can also share this, which I really like. So you have a link that you can embed it right into, like maybe a remind message or I have a Cooper Science blog for my classes. I could put the link right there, or I can embed this into Canvas. And I use Canvas with my AP Environmental Science students, and that's kind of the module I'm working on. So I would just take this code and embed it onto my LMS platform. So there's one other tool that I think is useful for us.